Hello guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming, and we are back with Clash Royale. And guess what? We are going to unlock the all 35 tires and double it because we have unlocked the Pass Royale, and we are going to collect 70 rewards from it. And we have some chests as well, 3 silver chests, 2 of them opened. Not got much things. Wizard, that's the best card of the silver chest, golden chest. Yes, arrows, Tesla, both the common cards, only common cards we use in our deck, we get it in one golden chest. That's good. Let's go to the shop. It's an Epic Sunday, so it's another free card. It's a giant skeleton. Not bad. Epic chest costs a lot because we need to upgrade our cards today. P.E.K.K.A is going to be maxed out. The Goblin Barrel is going to reach level 12. Tesla level 12. And let's start collecting 10,000 gold. That's a lot. And crown chests. Come on. 70 rewards. This is going to be an awesome episode. Good cards. 100 common wild cards. That helps a lot. Crown chest again. More wild cards. And a rage. That's not bad. Elixir Golem again. Rare wild cards. I actually now, planning to use these rare wild cards for a purpose because get the witch. That's not bad. And rare wildcards. Now the rare wildcards mean something to me because we are using the mini P.E.K.K.A as a backup and it's a rare card. So we need these rare wildcards to add its progress. And look at this reward. The Book of Books. Yes, we are not going to use it very soon because like the last Pass Royale, last season. We are going to think about it because we have a lot of cards which we can use on. Used to the P.E.K.K.A last time, but this time we'll get the Epic Book of Books for free. So we'll use the Epic Book of Books on Book of Cards on the P.E.K.K.A, not the Book of Books. Yes, rare wild cards. That's good. Chest key. Not the best, but we'll take it. Crown chest. Oh, poison has been a very frequent card. Let's use up these epic wild cards because our inventory is going to be full. I think we'll use it on the Goblin Barrel because that's the only card apart from the P.E.K.K.A which is going to be maxed out today in our deck. Yes. Definitely the Goblin Barrel is going to reach level 12 today. No doubt about that. 10 epic wild cards. Crown chest again. 10 epic wild cards is a lot. I don't know why the inventory is only 20. It should have been around 50 at least. Rare trade tokens. That will help. Oh, epic wildcard in a crown chest. That's not bad. That's only the second time I'm seeing that. Yes, tower skin. Boom. Okay, the boom tower skin is unlocked. Another premium reward. Excellent. Let's change our tower skin. This tower skin is good. Boom. Crown chest. Rare wildcards. Tornado zap. Okay. Spells. Gold. 10,000 gold. Come on, that's a lot. Rare wildcards. Please give me that now. Yes, that's a good chest. And more common wild cards. The Tesla is going to reach level 12 today. Even that for sure. These are giant. Okay. Rare wild cards. Gold gems, electro. Skeleton army. That's a rare card we'll get, in this chest. Okay, inventory is full. We have to use it up again. But let's just take the crown chest again. Okay. 2 chest keys. Come on. That's good. We are not going to waste time on waiting for the chest to unlock now. We have so many chest keys. Yes, common wild cards, give me that. And the rare wild cards, epic wild cards. We can collect the epic wild cards. Yes, that's good. Rare wild cards. A crown chest, gold, gems, minions. Getting the minions many times and even the elixir golem. No way. I'm not going to take any card. Let's use up our wild cards on the Goblin Barrel. Yes, 2163 out of 100. Good progress. We are going to get it to level 12 soon. Stay tuned for that. Yes, 10 more epic wild cards. That's good. All to the Goblin Barrel. Crown chest. Clone. Okay. Epic trade token. I have a lot of these. I have around 8 or 9. I have a lot. Almost it's full. Yes. More epic wild cards. 15 of them now. The bowler emote. Yes. This is a great emote. It's the main card of the season. Yes. Let's just use this emote in place of the... we get the free emote. Yeah. The crying one. We get it free. And all the emotes which are in our deck now are not for free. So Tesla again Pekka. Pekka, it's how much ever cards we get of the Pekka, it's definitely going to be maxed out today. Just 13 more tires. Yes, more chest keys. We have 5 out of 7. Epic wildcard again in a crown chest. That's good. 20 rare wildcards. Okay, 147 of 100. Inventory is almost full. Crown chest again. Okay, no epics. 10 epic wildcards. Inventory is full. We have to use it to the goblin barrel again. And 64 perfectly suits. 100. Oh, sorry, it's 90. Miscalculated. It's 90. 10 more cards to go for the goblin barrel. Yes. More crown chest. Our common wildcards inventory is going to be full, I think. We are going to use everything on the Tesla and get it to level 12. More rare wildcards, gems, gold and gems. Yes. Not a bad chest. Common trade token. Never. I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to take 100 common cards. A lot of commons. Tesla. Yes. Take it. Level 12. We'll not upgrade it now. We'll upgrade all the cards together. Let's just keep it there. Yes. 100 common wildcards again. Yes. We have 642 of them. Getting a lot of Hog Riders and rare wildcards. Just 23 more left for the inventory to be full. Legendary in a crown chest. Wow. I didn't expect that. And a new card. It's a bandit. Yes. We are going to start using it, but not sure for a long duration, but definitely today we are going to use it in our deck. We are going to play some battles and it's going to be featured there. Okay. Crown chest. Any other legendary? No. Goblin barrel. Yes, that's equal to a legendary because we use it in our deck. Almost equal rather. Yes, a good crown chest. And the magic coin. Yes. We can only hold one. It's a great magic item, so you can't hold many of them. It's a great magic item, really. Arguably the best. Yes, more gold, 10,000 gold. That's a lot. Crown chest again. Rare wild card, skeleton dragons. Skeleton dragons is a good card. It's a really good card. Yes, common wild card. Just 8 more to be full. And the legendary wild card. This helps a lot, but we are going to use it because we are going to get 2 more of these. Yes, another legendary thing. And that's it. Rare wildcard inventory is full. Royal Giant, Heal Spirit, Firecracker. Firecracker is the best card out of that chest. 20. And legendary wildcards inventory is full. Epic wildcards inventory is full. Rare is full. And even the other books are also full. The book of books. Never. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be mad if we do that, definitely. On the lumberjack, is it? Oh, how about on the Mega Knight? Yes, come on. Let's do it's 2 wild cards. Let's put it on the Mega Knight. Yes. 20,000. Yes, let's put this one on lumberjack because I think we are going to trade the bandit to the lumberjack in the clan, just in case. Just feel like the lumberjack may come to use later. And the epic book of cards along with the legendary wild card. Look at those magic items. Just 2 of them are missing. And one of them is going to be in the next season, I think. We'll just use it to the lumberjack. I just feel it may come to use in the future, that's why. But let's see. Let's test the bandit. Because if you use a wild card on the bandit, it may come of no use. Okay, Goblin Barrel, 100 on 100, level 12, just minutes away from level 12. And now let's use the great epic book of cards on the P.E.K.K.A. Its progress is going to be full, but before that let's upgrade these cards. Goblin Barrel, level 12. Damage is good. And now let's just put the extra epic wildcards we got in the past to the Goblin Barrel. That's good. And let's now upgrade, or yeah, let's rather use the book of cards, the epic book of cards on the P.E.K.K.A. 200 cards. Oh my god, there you go. Progress is complete. It's going to cost a lot, but worry not, we have the magic coin. Let's upgrade the Tesla now. Level 12 Tesla. The hit points are a lot, yes, and the damage is also a lot. Yes, the Mega Knight is going to be our first legendary card to reach level 11. There you go. 268 area damage. Jump damage is a lot. 537. That's good. And yes, the magic coin is there. We are going to use it. But just before that, let's use all the common wild cards on the Tesla. Yep, that's good. 809 out of 5000. A long way to go for the Tesla to level 13 now. Max level. Yes, magic coin, please. Yes, come on. No gold used. We have saved 100,000 gold. That's a lot. And the hit points, look at the hit points. 1600 XP, that's a lot again. And we have to wait a long time for the P.E.K.K.A. to look at the damage. Close to 1000, just 16 away from 1000. And we have to wait a long way. I think we're not going to use the Book of Books now on the Mega Knight. Let's think about it a little bit because it's quite risky to use it early. Yeah, the bandit. Let's use it in this video. We are going to use it. And that's all the upgradations for today. Yes, we'll obviously Lumberjack should be removed. We have no other option. Yes, let's battle now. And let's try to as much push to Challenger 1. Not far away. We are not going to reach there today, but somewhere near. It's not far away. Yes, let's battle. Yes, P.E.K.K.A. maxed out. It's going to take a long time for the P.E.K.K.A. to, be at star levels. Completed star levels. We have to reach King level 13 for that. That's a long way. Yes, we have the tower skin. We have the emote. There you go. The bowler emote. And I love this emote. Yes, Tesla. There you go. Look at the damage. Baby dragon gone in just 4 shots, I think. That's good. He's a no clan. Or she, maybe, I'm not sure. Yes, King level 9. We have to win this. Come on, we can't lose. Yes. Firecracker. Many people use it. Let's just go for the let's go for the Electro Wizard actually. He's mirrored the Firecracker. Okay. We have the arrows for that though. Look at the P.E.K.K.A.'s damage. The last time, in the last season, it was oh no, just almost the P.E.K.K.A. had reached it, and it would have been chaos for him if it had, because his HP is way less than mine. Plus the P.E.K.K.A., it would have been our game. I mean, in the start, definitely. Firecracker somehow surviving. Oh my god, it's not defeated. Yes, now it's going to be by the Great Bandit. Yes, dash. Please, that's a swiftness, and that's the main reason I think we are using it. Yes, we have the arrows this time. Yes, thank you very much. Let's wait. This is last season's emote. Not bad. That goblin. Yes, again he's mirrored it. Goblin barrel. Come on, get some damage there. Let's just use a bandit because now he's going to be a little worried because the bandit is dashing onto his other prince's tower. Mega Knight level 11. The first legendary. And the first card to be maxed out, the P.E.K.K.A. Here it is. Come on, Electro, do something. No, it's the Battle Ram was too good. He has the mirror, that's the problem over. Oh my god, he's cloned it. Are we losing this? No! Oh, he's cloned it. Which makes the job even more harder. And now he has the log. We are going to lose our first game with this ultra upgraded deck, I'll call. Oh no. He played well though, we have to acknowledge that, but let's go again. We are going to win at least 2-3 games in this if we play that much. Yep. Let's go for another. It's a Crown Rush. Should we use it now? Just in case for a level 12. Or not. I mean, what if, we get another card which is doing well and maybe it misses out on it. I'm not doing it now. Let's think about it a little bit. Tombstone. It's not going to do anything. The princess can handle it. The Mega Knight is slow enough. We can go for the P.E.K.K.A. Jump, jump, jump. Yes, that's good. Look at the prince. Its HP is quite a lot. I love the card, but the HP is lot for the prince. But just look at the the Tesla's damage. It's level 12, so lot of damage. Yes, the giant. It's not going to do anything because P.E.K.K.A. level 13 plus Tesla level 11. What can it do? Yes, the minions, they are not going to stay for long. Because we have the Electro Wizard. Yes, go P.E.K.K.A. go. Yes. Go on to its towers. I want the tower there. It's going to be a tower. Goblin Gang. No. Spear Goblins defeats Electro Wizard. But we have done a lot of damage and he's just now touching our crown tower. What do we do now? Let's go for the Mega Knight. On the back, it's going to go really slowly, and if we have enough time, we can make a big move. Yes. Come on. Inferno, just in case if he sends some minions or a bat. Okay, Bandit, come on. The prince will be gone. Yes, there you go. He sends some minions. And the bandit has dashed over there, and the Inferno Dragon has done a really good job of getting those minions out by itself, and the bandit has done a lot of damage to his other crown tower, and level 12 goblin barrel too strong for his crown towers. And look at that, we have got a tower and we are not far away from getting another, I feel. Okay, Mega Knight, come on, do the job. Yes. Yep, come on. Electro. Jump. Oh, I thought it will jump. The Mega Knight will jump. Nope, it didn't. Bandit, come on. Just dash on those archers. Finish them off. Yep. Come on. We can get another tower over here. Oh, I think we can't. It's tough, but we can, maybe. No, the Prince HP is quite a lot. We don't have any Mega Knight. No, just a tower, but it's a good win. We won it in the end. That's all matters. Yes, 32. We get 32 trophies. That's a lot. Yes. How many trophies do we have? It's our highest trophies again. 4,768. We've never got there. Okay. Let's go for another. Let's win it. We don't have anything to use. We'll think about the rare wildcards, the rare book of books. I think it's going to go to the mini P.E.K.K.A. most probably. We are going to get it to level 11, and then definitely we are going to replace the bandit. But that's it for this episode, guys. We have come to an end. We'll play another, but not in this episode. I think it's been a good one. We unlocked the Pass Royale, and man, we got so many rewards, and our deck is looking in really good condition now. And we'll come back in the next video and play some more battles at the peak. And if you really like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. And until then, goodbye.